Hi, this is Mariel Wadigan, Archivist and Curator at the 390th Memorial Museum. This tutorial is focused on our personnel database. Before I show you how to use this database, I just want to touch on the history of it. It was initially created by our wonderful 390th veterans. However, there are occasional discrepancies and slight inaccuracies from time to time in this database. So please consider that as you're doing your own research. If you do notice a discrepancy, please use our contributed content to add your own comments. Okay, so to start, you want to perform a basic search. Here you can see that I have pulled up in the personal database information, 33 records specifically, on Herbert W. Harms. This is a pretty simple one because there's only one Harms. Let me show you what happens if we look up an individual who has a more common last name. Going back to our example of Warner, you can see here there are actually 104 records. If I am just looking for information on John Warner, I can pull up only his records by either opening a record and clicking on his name, and you'll now see that there's 35 records. Or you can go back to the search box, type in just the name you're looking for, and again you'll only get those records pertinent to John Warner. Now I'd like to highlight what information is available in each of these records. Obviously there's the name of a person who served in the 390th, the position they flew, the crew number, which it's important to recognize that crew numbers were reassigned and recycled in the military, so that's not always a piece of information that follows individuals. You can see he actually switched crews on a couple occasions. The other information contained in one of these records are the serial number of the aircraft on the specific mission that he flew. So in the case of this record, we can see that there is a date for the mission, the target in France, and if we open up the record, we can also see some other associated information. This tab will tell us about the specific mission. You can see it's the 123rd mission under the mission ID that the bomb group flew. Again, the date, the target, and then this actually shows all of the aircraft by serial number who were involved in it. You may also see other tabs, in this case associated objects. This will actually give you a brief record about objects in our museum collection that are associated with John Warner. So thank you for watching this, and I hope this video helps you to understand a little more about how our personal database works.